Hey y'all, it's last installment of the old carburetor job. As you see here, yeah, she's on there. She's all polished up. I don't know if the light does you any good there, but yep, got her all rebuilt, put back together. Pretty neat little unit. How they functioning and engineering and design of that thing works, and yeah, we've actually run it with this part almost straight up and down in the past, with the needles pointing toward the driver. Actually, no, with this on the bottom because it was on the back side on the Honda. So yeah, this bit here was on the top, so it'll run. I mean, it's a pump carburetor; it should run in any direction, right? I mean, doesn't matter any orientation. Shouldn't matter which direction it's in. So. Looking forward to playing with it. We got to get busy and get out there and get us a go-kart built up to put it on. But that's it for Saturday the 16th. That's it. That's all we got for you today. Sun going down, clearing off the table before the wife gets home. Shh, don't tell Sherry. Hi to Dennis Bernier and our buddy Chuck. And all of you is looking in. Bobby and Jerry Eccles were here today. Thanks, guys, for stopping in and hanging out for a little bit. And good to see everybody. Praying for y'all. Like I said, pray for me because we're praying for you. We all need prayer with the world being upside down like it is. Got a feeling it's going to be more upside down before it gets righted again. But we'll be okay. We'll get her figured out. That's it for me and the little Vortex RV XX. This is us checking out for a Saturday. We'll bring you some spindle shaft action in that box right there. It came today. We'll open that up tomorrow and show you what we got and what we plan on doing with the spindles and rebuilding some things. So that's it, folks. Hang in there. We're praying for you. Godspeed.